in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Smith Point to New Point Comfort, Virginia, until 4 p.m. At 2:24 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, marine weather observations continue to indicate gusts of 35 to 40 knots in the wake of a strong low-pressure system offshore of the mid-Atlantic coast. Expect gusts of 35 to 40 knots to continue through 4 p.m. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, observed. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include NASA Wadox Reef, Wolf Trap, Rappahannock Range Light, Rappahannock Light, Manduapungo Teague Reef, Queens Island Reef, Tangier Island, Anglers Reef, Stingray Point, Hole in the Wall, Occohannock Reef, Bissell, Cherry Stone Reef, Watt Island, Longs Creek Inlet, San Marcos Wreck, Northern Neck Reef and Windmill Point. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.